Hi, my name's Taylor, and I'm a G Suite support expert with Suitebriar. Today we're going to learn about Google's Data Migration Service. It's a lightweight and useful tool for migrating email, calendars, and contacts. It's also simple to use because you don't have to download any software, and it's available for all editions of G Suite. Also, most mail servers will automatically connect. A common reason for using the DMS tool is part of the offboarding process. You may want to transfer a user's data to another account, whether it's an individual user or an archive account. The first step is to enable IMAP in the Gmail settings of the source account, or the account you're migrating from. Click the gear icon, then click Settings. Next, click Forwarding and POP/IMAP. Then enable IMAP and save changes. Next, open your admin panel and click on the Data Migration icon. Then select Set Data Migration Up. For migration source, we'll select Gmail, but please note you can migrate from other sources such as a Microsoft Exchange server, GoDaddy, and other IMAP accounts. Then click Start. Here is where we specify the migration start date. You may leave it as the default of 1 year, but to make sure we grab everything, we recommend choosing a custom date of January 1st, 2000. You can then decide whether or not you want to migrate deleted and junk mail and also exclude specific folders from being migrated. I'll leave these unchecked. Click Add User. Next, we'll specify the source account or user we're migrating from. Then click Authorize. A new window will open where you will be prompted to enter in the password. Then click Allow. Copy the code and take it back to the migration page and paste it into the authorization code field. And lastly, we'll enter in the account we're migrating to. You're now ready to begin the migration, so click Start. The status of the migration may say Initializing for a period of time while the tool estimates the size of the mailbox. In this example, we're only migrating one user, but the migration can take longer depending on the number of users you're migrating, as well as the number and size of items being migrated. It may seem like the migration is stuck at 99%. This just means that all mail has been migrated and the data migration service is applying any labels to the migrated email, which can take some time. Once the labels are applied, you should see the migration is 100% completed. And lastly, be sure to exit the migration. This will generate a migration report that will then be sent to all super administrators of the account. And that's it. The mail should successfully have been migrated from the source account to the destination account. Thank you for watching. For more videos from Suitebriar, please visit our website at www.suitebriar.com. If you have questions regarding your G Suite instance, visit our help desk at suitebriar.zendesk.com for assistance.